a Junton pile driver. It's driving in these piles, concrete piles. Each one is 10 inches square and 10 meters long. See how the air keeps it going. Taking the colour off, allows that to drop. Oh, that's a good idea, he's propping it up. It looks pretty heavy, that ring. Markings on it to show how fine the ground it is. Well, they're going to have to put that back together again before they can start hammering.